Have you ever considered investing in high-end collector watches? These timepieces are more than just objects that tell time. They are symbols of history, craftsmanship, and luxury. They are tangible assets that can appreciate over time, offering an intriguing alternative to traditional investments. In the ever-evolving digital age, one might assume that the demand for mechanical watches would dwindle. However, the opposite has proven true. The new generation of consumers, often referred to as millennials, crave simplicity, personalization, and transparency. This trend is pushing traditional luxury watch manufacturers to focus on vintage-inspired designs and enhance their digital sales and marketing strategies. So what about investment potential? High-end watches have begun to emerge as a legitimate asset class. Certain models, particularly limited editions or those with historical significance, have shown impressive appreciation over time. Brands such as Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Audemars Piguet, which have been family-controlled rather than investor-controlled for over a century, limit their supply to maintain brand reputation over short-term profits. This strategy is likely to continue with future generations, ensuring the value of their watches remain high. To put things into perspective, the average annualized long-term return of U.S. government bonds sits at around 6%. Stocks, on the other hand, have historically earned an average return of 10%. Yet the appreciation of high-end watches can sometimes outpace these traditional investments. Take, for example, the Sotheby's Important Watches live auction, which brought in $10.4 million, marking a 27% increase from the previous year. One Patek Philippe Ref 2499 even sold for a staggering $818,600. So which watches are the best to invest in? Experts often recommend brands such as Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Audemars Piguet. Watches from these brands are considered the epitome of luxury in the watch world and make for an excellent long-term investment. For those considering ultra-high-end watches above the $100,000 mark, models like the Calibre de Cartier Flying Tourbillon and the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak concept Supersonnerie are considered sound investments. To conclude, investing in high-end collector watches can be both a financially and emotionally rewarding venture. It allows you to own a piece of history and art, while potentially offering a return on your investment. However, like with any investment, it requires careful consideration and research. Remember, the value of a watch isn't just in its price tag, but also in the joy and satisfaction it brings its owner. In the world of high-end collector watches, the future looks promising. These luxury timepieces are not just about telling time, but about owning an asset that appreciates over time. So if you're looking for an alternative investment, why not consider high-end collector watches? They're not just a luxury, but a potential investment that could yield significant returns. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps us create more content and keeps this channel going. Remember, every like and subscribe makes a huge difference. See you in the next video.